Alright boys, we're not here, we're doing round bales today. Tons of round bales, got all a bunch. Ford, trailer. We're going up to get the Kubota, so I'll keep you all updated. 60 bales we gotta bring over, but I'll keep you all posted. We're getting them stacked up now. They're starting slowly though. Alright y'all, this is where we stack the bales. As you can see we already have 4 down in there. But I'm just gonna stack them all up in here. As we got some of the cows are out over there. This is what we're using to load them, just a New Holland skid loader. It gets the job done. That's all I can say. It gets the job done. Here's some yellow cows. The Laney, this little bull, real short one, we put him in here with them because we don't have to worry about him breeding because he's way too short. Just got some more down here. And I'm gonna go over here and I'm gonna throw some, well, this is where we keep our grain. I'm gonna throw some of this fodder right here over in one of their pens where they're gonna lay on, so they can have something else to lay on. Now I got all this fodder down. Now all you gotta do is go in here and just make sure it's all covered up so it looks just about like this. And just spread it out a little bit more and it'll do. Now I'm just gonna go ahead and push some of this hay up, save it to eat. We just feed them on this concrete pad, dump their grain out. We feed them in the morning and evening, around 10 in the morning and 7 in the evening. But yeah. Alright y'all, back out here with round 2, loading up some more bales. And now y'all, I'm in this cornfield that nobody picked. The farmer has found it, and some old cornfield. And he never picked his corn, I don't know why. So I'm just gonna go through and peel all the husk off and just put the corn down there. I'll give it to my cows later, so I'll keep you all updated. Alright y'all, I'm just gonna end it off here. Long day, but make sure y'all sub, like, come back again, I guess. But alright, I'll catch you all in the next one.